So today we're headed to the Strawberry Festival in Plant City. That's what we're going to see today, Jay.
We are going to see the Oak Ridge Boys.
Hello, my name is Robin Gribben. My husband Jay and I can't wait to take you on our next adventure as we're making memories one day at a time.
When does the shuttle leave?
I believe right now because I just seen it.
I'm not easy, but I am cheap. Okay, I'm easy too. Girls, y'all ready?
All clear, girl.
Alright, let's ride then. Wasn't there a little train that said, I think you can do it?
I can do it.
We had a strip search again. Every time we go to the place. You must look like a criminal.
She's confused. She's doing something.
Welcome to the Florida Strawberry Festival.
At the Gospel Music Hall of Fame, stars of the Grand Ole Opry, and along with our fellow members, Alabama, members of the Country Music Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen, the Oak Ridge Boys!
Allow us to go back to '79 right now and sing a few songs from the Have Arrived album.
If she hadn't got drunk, if she hadn't started running with a traveling man, if she hadn't started taking those crazy chances.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, having a great time. Eating pork rinds, beef tips, yep, sweet tarts.
Tasty, tasty.
Hello guys! Are we doing a picture together? I don't really want to be alone.
Okay. You finished
Is that, I can't tell if that's a... Oh, okay. Oh, my hand. Oh, her hands are so soft. They feel like velvet.
Tell her husband that.
I'm gonna call her my velvet princess. Are you she gonna hug me? And her hair smells so good, sir. Is that your fella? Is he taking good care of you? Is he getting you everything your little heart desires? Sir, you go forth and buy her funnel cake. Go forth and buy her snow cones and a Buick.
A Buick.
A Buick.
Yeah, she wants a Mercedes.
Something with 22-inch finished red leather interior for the 412 CD changer and 2 fuzzy dice. I may have misjudged you. I just figured from the condition of your shoes you were definitely a Buick guy, not a Mercedes.
And the best thing about going to the Strawberry Festival is coming back and making delicious strawberry bread with Wish Farms strawberries.